Oh, if y'all can see right there, that's where I just put a fresh scratch in the truck. Guys, this is Lyons Garage, and today we're getting ready to put on our first gen bumper. And yes, guys, I say that it's our first gen because you guys have been with me too for all of the content for this first gen, and I really appreciate you guys. You guys support me a whole lot. Even though our channel isn't very big, I'd still like to give you guys recognition for it. So thank you guys for supporting in me, believing in me. But without further ado, here is our bumper. Okay, so here's our bumper right here that we're going to be installing. Like I said, it has some black on it, but we're going to fix that. It's basically brand new. All it needs is just wash down. It was on the truck at first, but then I took it back off. If you guys see right there, there's a tailgate that is actually leaked in this video. That one's not going on the truck. I actually wanted to talk about this in a different video, but since we're up at the shop, I will talk about it right now. But here is the tailgate that's actually going on it ASAP. Basically, this one is a whole lot cleaner. I know that it has Bondo right there, but that's not a lot of Bondo that's sitting right there. That one right there has a whole lot more body work that needs to be done rather than this one right here. So I'm going to use this one, and then later on we will use that one. But depending on what we're doing with the build, this one's going to be the Inferno Edition tailgate. So this one will have a cool design on it. So this one's a whole lot more expensive whenever you really think about it, because they did not make the Dodge Ram tailgate a lot for this models. So the first gen, you cannot really find these anywhere. So if you're trying to find first gen parts, good luck, because they don't make a lot of them anymore. So here we are, we have the bumper. We're getting ready to go down there. We're gonna go install it because I figured, why not install it? I mean, you know, it's a beautiful day. It's snowy outside. Why not install this freaking bumper? We have another bumper actually over here. This is my original one. It actually is not going on the truck because it looks so bad compared to the other one. But that's what we could use compared to the other one. So we're gonna grab a few bolts. Then I'll meet you guys right at the truck and we'll start. Okay guys, so I'm back. I have my bumper right here, and then I went and got brand new bolts and then nuts and then washers and then lock washers. So we shouldn't really have a problem whenever it comes to that, but I need to go and get the grease gun real quick, and then we'll start installing this. Okay, so I'm gonna just try to install this the best I can. I just figured, hey, let's not go get the grease gun.
Take the bumper, we'll try to put it on the best we can.
Okay, so first off, I'm gonna have to figure out where my holes are exactly on one side without screwing up the other side. Oh, if y'all can see right there, that's where I just put a fresh scratch in the truck. So basically, it's gonna almost mount like this. It's about at the right spot. I just need to do a little bit more adjusting. That's how it should be mounting right there, guys. So what I'm thinking is that we're gonna have to take my other mounts and we're going to have to use those instead. I don't really want to use them, but I think that that's what we're gonna have to do. I had it mounted on here before. Don't really know how we had it mounted on, but we had it mounted on. Doesn't look like it's working too well. Okay guys, so it's actually been a few days since I've came out here and made the other part of the video where I was putting on my first gen bumper. Now, we do have a problem, and the problem is that it's either the mounts that we have to change that are actually on the bumper, not these brackets, but these mounts. We're either gonna have to make those wider, or we're going to have to order brand new brackets for the bumper. And the reason why we got to order new brackets for the bumper is because it doesn't fit around the frame. It seems like every time that I try to like come out here, make a video or something goes wrong. And that is 100% true. So basically, if we take this and we put it right up to this, you can see it's kind of close. If we do it like this, it's pretty dang close. I mean, all I gotta do is just kind of tilt it a little bit and then it would be close. But then again, that calls for the bumper to sit higher than what I need it to. The bumper already goes to right here whenever it's already mounted on. Like, I mounted it on with these. I can't get it mounted on with those because those just don't fit around the frame rails. So they're supposed to fit around here, but instead they start going into here. And you know, that's not how this bumper is supposed to go on. The bumper is supposed to go around the frame rails and not in the frame rails. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to either have to make brackets where they come down here, do almost like a drop hitch type deal. So they have to come out through here, drop, and then come like that. Or we can make new new mounts, and then we can just drill a little bit higher up. So we have those options. We have those options to do that kind of stuff. But the thing is it takes time, and not only does it take time, it takes money as well. And if you guys are hearing any wind noise, I do apologize. It's kind of windy out here. What I'm getting at is, so this is a brand new bumper. So we could use this. This is a usable product. We just got to make it be usable. Take my suspension, for example. My suspension wasn't actually made to go on my truck. You guys can see that this bumper right here, it looked like somebody had hit it or something and it got like twisted. So actually that's fixable. That's honestly a fixable deal. So all I would have to do to take this twist out is I'd have to mount it on and just take a pole behind it and start hitting it at the bottom end of it, and it will come out like nothing. And then this, all I gotta do with this is just take some paint thinner. You guys can see I've already tried to do some paint thinner right there. It was all the way out to here with it, but I already got some of that off. So basically all it needs is, it just needs a little bit of TLC, and we need to come up with a different way of mounting this bumper, because this bumper, honestly, it's a good bumper. I don't want to use the one that's up at the shop because it's beat up and banged up, and it has the same thing right here. It has a twist in it. Which one would I rather use? And has a twist in it, or I use the old bumper that has the same things but looks a whole lot worse. Okay guys, so I did not film an outro for this video. I'm currently editing, and you know, my retarded forgot to film an outro. Okay, so without further ado, let's do the shout outs that we usually do during our videos. Okay, so the first shout out goes to It's Emily, so make sure that you guys go follow her. Make sure that you guys go follow her Instagram, go subscribe to her YouTube. She is getting ready to come out with a whole lot more content, so stay tuned for her channel. Okay, so the second person that you guys need to go follow is McBride6_17. If you guys don't already follow him, he has a 2015 Ford Mustang GT, which has a VMP supercharger on it. So make sure that you guys go follow him for more content on that. And not only does he have a supercharged Mustang GT, he has a first gen Cummins. So make sure that you guys go follow him on that build too, because I mean, this is a freaking awesome truck. If you guys just see it right here, I mean, it's an awesome truck. I see a lot of potential in his builds. Every build that he does, I see a lot of potential in, and I've talked to him before, and maybe we may be doing a collab together here soon. So stay tuned for that. And without further ado guys, make sure that you guys go follow my social media, and make sure that you guys subscribe to my channel, because why not? It takes 2.5 seconds out of your day just to go subscribe to my channel. So subscribe to the channel, and you know, more content's coming, so why not subscribe? You get to see the purple truck in action here soon. Okay guys, so I am about worn out from editing. I'm sorry if the editing is so bad that you guys cannot stand it, because I suck at editing. So yeah, without further ado, guys, make sure that you guys subscribe to me and, you know, leave a like on this video. Make sure that you guys comment down below. What do you think we should do with the bumper? Should we make new mounts for it, or should we make new brackets? Which one should we do? Or should we just go ahead and buy a far from stock bumper? And if you guys haven't already, make sure that you guys go to farfromstock.com. And if you guys are new with the Far From Stock franchise, it's an online website where you guys can get your premium diesel parts. Okay, so make sure that you guys leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.